Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be reglazing a stand-up shower stall, and I'm going to be using the DCK random orbital sander to help with my preparation.
So it's my first time using this orbital sander, which comes with a dust bag. It's got multi-speed and it comes with a 10-pack of sandpaper, so we'll see how it goes. First things first, I've got to scrape off all of the silicone around the shower. For some reason, in this shower, they used a ton of silicone around the seams. And first thing I need to do is scrape off all of the excess with a single edge blade to make sure that once I end up spraying, that it doesn't hinder or mess with the adhesion of the primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this silicone scraped off. Removing the silicone is extremely tedious, but it's extremely important to make sure that you're going to prevent any fisheyes from occurring. Alright, so now I'm going to get ready to start sanding the panels, and I'm going to use 180 grit sandpaper with the DCK Palm Orbital Sander. One of the things I really liked about this sander was the weight distribution. I actually had it set to between 3 and 4 on the speed, and it just worked really well. I've used other sanders before, and with this DCK random orbital palm sander, the weight distribution really made it easy to work with, and I loved the dust bag. One of the things I noticed was there was not a lot of dust circulating in the room while using the sander. It's crucial to make sure that the walls are sanded, everything is cleaned up really well in preparation for the primer that I'm going to be spraying soon. So it's very important to make sure that all of your panels, all of the walls are sanded down. I use 180 grit. You could get down to 120, but to avoid any scratch marks, I like to use anywhere between 180 to 220 when it's cultured marble, fiberglass, or acrylic on the walls. Alright you guys, so after everything's sanded, I go ahead and take my Scrub Daddy. You guys, I've been using this to go ahead and clean off soap scum, dust, anything with water, and it's been great. So using my Scrub Daddy to go ahead and clean and rinse off the panels and the shower pan that I just sanded to get ready for caulking and primer. Alright, shower's all sanded, cleaned up and rinsed, and now I'm going to go through and caulk all the seams that are not near a tape line. I'll do the final caulking after it's done and dry, but before spraying the primer, I go through any area and caulk the seams that aren't up against the tape line. There was a crack in the panel, so I'm just going to go ahead and skim coat some Bondo on it and then sand it down before primer. Alright, so now I've sprayed on two light coats of primer, and now I'm going to get ready to do the top coat. Alright, so now I'm spraying on the first coat of the acrylic urethane. You guys, I use Resurface Solutions top coat, and so I spray generally 2 coats of primer and then 2 to 3 coats of the top coat. I use their Euro epoxy primer, so it's actually pretty thick. So when I spray 2 coats of it, I consider that almost like 1 coat of top coat. And then I'll spray 2 additional top coats, high gloss bright white, on top of that.